Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these really cute pink gradient flip-flops. A gradient look is so cute because it gives you the opportunity to wear a lot of different colors or different shades of one color with one outfit, and doing it with flip-flops makes it super cute for summer. So let me show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used pink flip-flops, E6000 glue, and pink beads in different shades. Here is another look at the pinks: fuchsia, plush, satin, and light. The fuchsia is in a 3mm, all the other colors are in 4mm. This is a very straightforward project. All you really have to decide is where you want to place the beads. I'm going to start in the center of the V and move out, starting with the lightest shade of pink and then graduating into the darker shades of pink, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is the progress of the shoe. I've completed the first shade of the beading, and now I'm adding in the darker shades slowly to give it a more gradual look. I'm moving into the next color, and with this color you can probably see what I was talking about before. I'm just integrating the beads and making a gradual transition from this color to this color. As a reminder, this is what the flip-flop looked like before, and this is the after and final result. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.